The hype button is now working in 39 countries. But what exactly is the hype button? Have you ever heard of it? Well, I'm going to go ahead and talk about it right now. What the hype button is that it's a new feature on YouTube that will help allow channels to grow by getting hype points. Every time a person hypes a video, they'll get certain points. And the smaller the channel is, the more hype points it will get. And you can find the hype tab on your mobile phone on YouTube. Now, in order for your channel to be eligible to be hyped, you have to be a part of the YPP, the YouTube Partnership Program, and you have to have a minimum of 500 subscribers, with the maximum being 500,000 subscribers. I personally think that they should have stopped somewhere between 250,000, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, 500,000 seems like a lot of subscribers, right? A person gets 3 hypes per week. Now, YouTube is testing out a pay for hype situation in Brazil and Turkey. You might be able to get more hypes to hype up other videos that you like as well later on. These hypes will be good for one account. So if you have several brand channels under one account, you're not getting more hypes, just for the record. Now, one thing about this situation is I don't like the potential pay to win for the hypes. You know, if you pay more, you'll get more hypes, so you can just pretty much spam hypes on one person's channel. Another thing about that is the fact that you can also do a hype for a hype. You know, it's the same situation as sub for sub, like for like. Now you got hype for hype. So you got that. And the third thing that kind of bothers me, or at least something that I am thinking about, is that big channels, yeah, you know, you got somebody over 500,000 subscribers for their main channel. They can't be a part of the hype situation, but a lot of those channels, they actually have a second channel that's not as big, so they can just have their subscribers go hype that channel up, that video or whatever. So I don't really know how amazing this is going to be for small channels, but I guess I got to do something. Maybe, I guess we'll see. Somebody's going to be able to benefit from it, but I just don't know how many people will benefit from it. So how do you actually hype a video? Well, you would go on your YouTube mobile app and then find a channel that is eligible to do this. So of course it has to be somewhere between 500 to 500,000 subscribers, but the video also has to be less than 8 days old. Trying to find a video that's eligible for that, I'm gonna go with Right Time with Bomani Jones, and right where it says comments, you should be able to scroll over to your left and you would see the hype button. Now you can also see, for me, what I got is Gemini. So I don't know if I got to update this or it's just not working for me in my specific area. But it's supposed to be in the US. I'm in the US, so I don't know. Y'all gonna have to let me know. Other people in the US, y'all let me know if it's working for y'all where you're at. Another thing is that you are automatically enrolled into your videos being hyped. If you want to opt out, you can go into your Creator Studio settings and then go into advanced features and then opt out of being in the hype situation. I don't know why you wouldn't want your videos to get hyped. If you don't, then there you go. This is the end of the video. I actually got a little bit more that I had talked about as far as the hype button is concerned on my blog, which I will leave a link in the description. So if you want to learn a little bit more about the hype button and more of its features, then you can go ahead and check that out. And I'll leave it here. Say thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.